5 Benefits of Ranch Home Designs. Dear friends, commonly known as ranch homes, these designs are defined by their long rooflines and their open-plan living layouts. Offering a range of benefits for their owners, ranch homes are typically a single-story design, often featuring large windows along the front of the house. These homes are rare in many metropolitan cities because they require a sprawling land lot that offers a broad frontage to suit the home design and provide prominent and generous street appeal. 5 Benefits of a Ranch Home. 1. Connected to the outdoors. Ranch homes are designed to bring the outdoors in, helping the homeowners get the most from their outdoor spaces. Large windows draw light into the house and spread it throughout. The floor plans often celebrate al fresco areas or a porch/veranda, integrating them into more of the indoor spaces. 2. Flexibility over time. As our lives change, so does the way we use our homes. Ranch-style homes offer flexibility as they age because the single-story layout allows spaces to be used in the ways that best suit the homeowners at that time. Bedrooms can easily be transformed into an office, a home gym, a music room, or an arts and crafts studio, for example. 3. Family-friendly homes. Large double-story family homes often place living areas on the ground floor, while the bedrooms are grouped together on the second level. For families, seemingly small things, like having the laundry on the same floor as the bedrooms, can make a big difference and save homeowners a lot of time. Additionally, ranch homes often provide a floor plan that promotes separate zones within the home to improve the livability of homeowners. For example, many ranch home floor plans separate the master suite from the other bedrooms for added privacy. 4. It's a peaceful environment. There is also an element of reduced noise throughout the home. Everyday activities such as children playing or running around can create noise that is more easily contained in a single-level floor plan that is spread out and designed accordingly. Additionally, many ranch homes provide second or third living areas, which are separate from the main living and dining spaces, for entertaining or to provide families with separate living retreats that create a more peaceful home. 5. Future-proofing your investment. It might not be an immediate concern, but if you are thinking about building your forever home, it is worth thinking about the future and designing a home that will age with you. In the future, it may become more important to have a home that will easily accommodate babies and small children, growing families and teenagers, or even limited mobility. Ranch homes remove the need to go up and down stairs, making them easier to navigate for families of all shapes and sizes. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For getting more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer AJ Ladd's channel How to Make My House.